Hello CBSE board students of classes 10 and 12. Today we are here to tell you how you can do Taiyari successfully with MTG's CBSE Champion, packed with new features that you will not find anywhere. This book is designed for classes 10 and 12 for excellent preparation for 2025 board exams. For class 12, there are 8 subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, economics, accountancy, business studies, and English core. For class 10, there are 5 subjects: science, mathematics, English core, social science, and Hindi. Now, let us show you how you can use this book for 100% benefit. Here, question paper design is broken down into competencies according to approximate percentage. These are based on 6 CBSE cognitive skills that are remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. So you can check your cognitive skill is used in these questions. On this page, we can see the content of this book. To know more about the features, let's take this chapter. On the top, you will get the QR code. After scanning this QR code, you will be directed to the video solutions page where you will get detailed video solutions of the entire CBSE 2024 board exam question paper for efficient learning of important concepts. At the start of the chapter, you can see topics and the topic-wise graphical analysis of the previous 10 years of CBSE board exam papers questions to understand what type of questions will come from the past 10 years. In the weightage extract section, you can check the topic's weightage and how many questions come from what types of topics. In the quick recap section, you will get a quick recap of the chapter with visual aids like illustrations, diagrams, flowcharts, etc. After this, you will get a brain map for an effective review of the entire chapter's important points, diagrams, equations, and formula for quick revision. Next comes previous year CBSE board questions. Here, the questions are marked with their weightage, cognitive skills. Some questions are marked with this symbol, which showcases that this question has video solutions, which can be availed through QR code given at the start of the chapter. Now, here you will get the question paper of the past 3 years official CBSE sample papers along with their detailed solution according to the CBSE marking. Some answers are marked by commonly made mistakes, which showcases what type of mistakes students usually do. Some questions are marked with key points, answer tips that can be used by students while in exam. Some are marked by concept applied, showcasing what concept is applied in this answer. Additionally, you can find the best scoring answers from CBSE toppers, so you can learn the best way to answer the questions. At the end of the book, you will receive 5 practice papers according to the CBSE exam pattern and detailed solutions according to the CBSE marking scheme, which boosts your practice. So, order your MTG CBSE Champion now. It is available at www.mtg.in, or you can get it from any online platform like Amazon or Flipkart. Follow MTG for regular tips and master your 2025 CBSE board exams.